FXandEquity IB Program, a direct relationship with clients. Introducing Broker Program. FXandEquity and Introducing Broker, IB, is a broker who has a direct relationship with clients, making recommendations and taking their trade orders but delegating the execution of their trades to a company like ours. At FXandEquity, we offer plenty of reasons to choose our service, including benefits for both you and your clients. To create your live account and begin your journey as an IB with FXandEquity, please follow these simple steps. Click on the Open Live Account button to initiate the registration process and approved as an Introducing Broker, IB, at FXandEquity. Fill in all the required fields accurately and completely. Provide your full name, email address, and contact number. Click on the Submit or Register button to complete the registration process. Our Introducing Broker program is suitable for both individuals and businesses looking to grow their own client portfolios, rewarding you on each occasion that you make a trade through our platforms. The highlights of becoming an Introducing Broker are client onboarding and account opening with simple steps. A promising and exciting revenue sharing model. Commissions are paid directly to the IB's FXandEquity account. Fully automated reporting that is very easy to understand. Unique advantages for our Introducing Brokers. In addition to the ability to generate revenue from your referred client's activity, the association as an Introducing Broker could bring extraordinary commissions, rebates paid in real-time. Account representatives are available for the ongoing development of your account. Additionally, IBs would get access to our unique and easy-to-use CRM platform, which offers complete transparency, comprehensive and real-time trading reports, full oversight of client activity and leads generated, real-time margins and commissions, conversion rates in graphical formats, free access for all live account holders to analytical reports. IBs would also have access to various tools, such as promotional banners, specialized trading tools and information on trading robots, available in the form of widgets containing training videos. At FXandEquity, we measure our success by your success. We are committed to being your trusted partner on your Forex trading journey, supporting you every step of the way. Your satisfaction is our greatest reward, and we are dedicated to delivering excellence in all aspects of our services.